How to make a ribbon rose. So this video is for all my fellows and ladies who have a partner out there for Valentine's Day and they want to get a gift for them, or like they want to make them something, right? But they don't have like that much money. This is a gift on the budget, and you can make 100 of these for like less than $10. I want to say. Anyway, so you want to get like a credit card's worth of like cardboard. I just traced one of my like gift cards and just use that. I also got different color ribbons. I got red for Valentine's Day. I also got pink, but I didn't show that in this video. I'm only showing how to make one, but you can make a whole bouquet. You can make more than one. But no, you're just gonna want to cut the credit card's worth with, and then you want to fold it like kind of like a hat, like a paper hat. Yeah, no, you're gonna want to fold it. And I didn't have a lighter at this time. I had these matches, but I didn't show that in this video either. So yeah, but you are gonna need a lighter to like make it hold, like stay together and stuff like that. You're also gonna need hot glue and those like little wooden sticks. I don't actually know the name of them, but I'll link them down in the description below. It's like an Amazon thing. But no, you're gonna want to keep making petals, and then you're gonna want to hot glue them together until you have like a line of petals. I have my example one right next to me right there. Anyway, you're gonna want to keep like hot gluing them together until like, again, it's a whole line of them. And once you got that line, you're gonna want to have like put a line like of hot glue about like 3, maybe 4 petals, and then you're gonna want to roll it like how I'm doing in this video, and you're gonna want to keep doing that until that whole line is just gone. I don't remember the exact number of petals I made into a line, but put just enough that it's a rose, that it looks like a rose. And later on in this video, I do show how to make like the stick green without paint and stuff like that, and that's what the green ribbon is for, and adding leaves too. And yeah. Okay, so here I'm showing how to wrap the green ribbon around the stick. So first you're gonna want to hot glue you're gonna want to hot glue at the base of the petals, and then you're gonna want to like just twirl it, just keep twirling, and like until you reach the bottom part of that stick. Once you reach that bottom part, you're gonna want to like use your lighter and hot glue and like somehow make it stick together. I show it in this video. I don't know how to really explain it. Also, sorry for my cat. He's not good with kittens at all. And I'm also making a leaf. This is just how I made a leaf. You can make it a different way if you want. But this is just how I'm making it. And yeah, that's how you make a rose.